This home is just right. It's got updates that count, space in all the right places, and a convenient location in the Shaker Hills neighborhood. The updates include fresh exterior paint and stain, new garage doors, a Buderus boiler, a new oil tank, a new front door, and more. Oversized, sunny kitchen next to the fireplace family room is perfect for comfortable everyday living. The first floor layout also features a sunroom, a sunsplash living room and dining room with a picture window that beautifully frames up the backyard. This neighborhood living and a spectacular commuter launching point? Yes, this quiet location is in one of Harvard's only neighborhoods and has Route 2 only minutes by car. Come see this just right home for yourself. Harvard is an amazing town with a tradition of thinking creatively, embracing and preserving the natural beauty. And being a community of learners, the schools are continually recognized as tops in the state. Harvard is the sort of place that causes one to wonder if it's a vacation or real life while living here. Whether it's serene Bear Hill Pond, Prospect Hill Road's vista to Mount Monadnock, the abundant apple orchards, it's hard to pinpoint just one thing that makes Harvard so special. Come see for yourself.